Stop! Don't buy that bed. Wait, you're wasting money. Your dog doesn't hate beds. They hate that bed. And yeah, that's on you. Sounds harsh? Good, because it's true. You think they're stubborn. They're not. You think they're lazy. They're not. They're uncomfortable, and you missed it completely. Look at them. Floor again. Not the bed, never the bed. Why? Simple. You got it wrong. Most people do. No one tells you this until now. Watch carefully. This will change everything about your dog, about that bed, about your mistake. Let's break it down. Fast. No fluff, just truth. Starting now. You bought it. Expensive, soft, looks perfect, feels perfect to you, not to your dog. You placed it. Nice corner, clean spot, looks aesthetic, still ignored. Dog walks away, again, sleeps on floor or couch or doorway, anywhere else. You get confused. You call them, they ignore. You try again, still nothing. You start thinking, why? What's wrong? Nothing's wrong. With your dog, it's your setup, your choices, your assumptions. Dogs don't care about price. They don't care about style. They don't care about effort. They care about comfort and instinct. You ignored both. That's the issue. Not them, you. Let's talk heat. This matters a lot. Your bed, too warm, too soft, too thick. It traps heat. Dogs feel that fast. They don't sweat like you. So what do? They move. They escape heat. They find cool. Tiles, wood, marble, cold spots. That's comfort, not fluff, not softness. Cooling matters, more than you think. Watch them. They leave the bed within seconds. That's a clue. They're not picky. They're overheating, even in winter sometimes. Warm homes, same problem. Your bed is a heat trap. Floor is relief. Simple choice. They pick relief every time. Now the bed itself, you picked wrong. Too soft, no support. Too hard, no comfort. Too big, feels exposed. Too small, feels cramped. Dogs need balance, support, security, not luxury, not fluff. You bought what looks good, not what feels right. Watch their behavior. They circle, they adjust, they move again, they don't settle. That's your sign. They're uncomfortable, not stubborn. Uncomfortable. Big difference. They try, then quit, then leave, then choose floor, because floor works. Your bed doesn't. Simple. Now, location. You placed it wrong. You chose the spot, not your dog. That's the mistake. Dogs think survival. They want visibility. They want awareness. They want control. That's why doorways. That's why open areas. That's why near you. Not corners, not hidden spots, not isolated zones. You made it look nice. They made a different choice. Noise matters too. Too loud, stress. Too quiet, stress. Balance matters. They want safe, but aware. Close, but alert. Your placement failed, so they left it. Now the worst mistake. You forced it. You pushed them in, again and again. You thought training. They felt pressure. Now the bed feels wrong, not comfort. Dogs remember feelings, not commands, so they avoid it completely. They won't go back because it feels wrong. Here's the fix. Simple. Choose breathable beds, not just soft ones. Support matters. Cooling matters. Place it smart, where they already rest, not where it looks good. Let them explore. Don't force, ever. Add your scent. That builds trust. Stay patient. Watch behavior. Adjust slowly. Do this right, they will use it naturally. If your dog does this, comment bed fail. I want to see it. And be honest, you made this mistake. Most people do. If you learned something, hit subscribe, because next time you won't get it wrong.